Hello, my name is Linda. Welcome to my channel. If you want to learn how to save money on utilities, learn how to cook off the grid, or save on car repairs, press the subscribe button and press the notification so you get notified when I do a video. And of course, as always, press the like button and leave a comment in the comment section below. Thank you for watching. Today's video, I'm making a caramel frappe with ice cream. You're going to need ice cream, caramel sauce, and coffee. On to the recipe. First thing you're going to be doing is dumping in your coffee. Now this is going to make more than a cup because you're starting off with a cup of coffee. This is half a pint of ice cream. If you wonder why it's only half and not the full pint, yeah, it was a snack. What can I say? I like ice cream. Now, I add the caramel. You add as much caramel as you like. There's no really measurement to it. I do the same thing with my mocha. You just add as much as you like. Make sure the blender is plugged in because it works a little bit better when it's plugged in. And now, you blend it until blended. Now I'll serve it. This is how it looks. You know I can't top any coffee drink without whipped cream. That would not be my style. Especially with me with the whipped cream. I love whipped cream. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. Here is my disclaimer. I have no sponsor for products used or mentioned. If you have a favorite brand, use your favorite brand. Thank you.